Hi, and thanks for tuning in. My name is Rachel Callahan. I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Network Realty. I'm here today in the beautiful Ortega-Venetia area of Jacksonville, Florida at 5015 Pirates Cove Road. The Ortega-Venetia area is known for scenic tree-lined streets and beautiful homes in a wide variety of architectural styles and sizes, all adding to the southern coastal charm many people seek. This one-story ranch-style waterfront home has 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. It was built in 1950, has 5,380 square feet, and is listed at $1,525,000. This home is packed with character both outside and in. Just from the street, this home has amazing curb appeal with a circular drive, a large front yard, and stunning landscaping. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside. Here we have our living room coming off of the foyer. You'll notice that the focal point of this room is this beautiful fireplace with a detailed mantel. From this room, you can sit back and relax while admiring the great view of your large front yard through the windows that frame the fireplace. From the living room, you can enter into the sunroom, another space with plenty of character and great views. The long wall of French doors and windows facing the backyard and water view, in addition to this oversized window, allows the sun to brighten and lighten the room throughout the day. Through these French doors lies the large and beautiful backyard, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. Every bit of this space has a touch of character. From the clapboard walls, the beamed ceilings, the new hardwood flooring that also runs throughout the majority of the home, all the way to the stunning view. These 2 rooms alone, the living room and the sunroom, provide a wonderful open space perfect for hosting guests. But the one thing many open concept homes miss out on, this home actually has: a formal dining room. This large dining room also has wonderful water views. The length of the wall facing the backyard consists of French doors framed by 2 large windows, again creating another light and airy space. A wet bar sits between the dining room and the kitchen. It contains a KitchenAid ice maker, a bar sink, and cabinetry with glass pane doors. Here we have our spacious kitchen. We have a main sink as well as a prep sink in the large island. We have a Bosch dishwasher, a double oven, a sub-zero fridge, and a gas stove. The backsplash is a beautiful white subway tile, and it has a beautiful accent behind the Thermador Professional stovetop. Off of the kitchen is this cozy breakfast room. The breakfast room has its own access to the yard and is lined with windows on both exterior walls, ensuring that it is well lit throughout the day. Also through the kitchen is another room packed with character, the family room. This room has high vaulted ceilings as well as an exposed brick wood-burning fireplace. Just off of the kitchen, we also have our powder room, laundry room, and access to the attached garage. This garage has room for 2 vehicles and still has extra space. It contains 2 closets and cabinetry as well for additional storage. As we make our way from the living and entertaining spaces to the bedrooms of the home, we have our hallway. Notice the beautiful arch in the hallway, adding interest and personality. Another great feature of the hallway is that it has a reading nook. This could be a great homework space for children or just a space for you to open a book and relax. Here we have our study. Notice the gorgeous plantation shutters adding emphasis to the waterfront feel of the home. This room has a pocket door leading to a half bath. And for storage, the study has a closet as well as built-in bookshelves. Here we have one of our 4 bedrooms. Again, we're seeing plantation shutters, but this time they're on the lower half of the window, providing privacy while also allowing light in to brighten the room. A nice feature that you'll notice is that every bedroom comes with its own private ensuite. Here's another one of our 4 wonderfully sized bedrooms. Again, this room has an ensuite bathroom, but this bathroom has its own walk-in shower. This is the last of the bedrooms before we get to the master suite. Again, a great size with plantation shutters, hardwood floors, and a private bathroom with a walk-in shower. And finally, we have the last bedroom, the master suite. Here is where you can enjoy a gorgeous view of the water from the comfort of your own bed. This master bedroom is bright, spacious, and has 2 separate walk-in closets with built-in shelving. The hardwood floors run throughout the room and up to the double-door entrance of the luxury master bath. In the master bathroom, we have 2 separate vanities, a large luxury bathtub fit for a wonderful master suite such as this, and again plantation shutters at the lower part of the windows to provide the perfect combination of sunlight and privacy. Now that you've seen the inside of the house, I'd love for you to see the outside. Here is what you've been waiting for. Even outside, you'll see plenty of character in the brick detailing of the covered patio. This is what was waiting just outside of the breakfast room door. A side patio with great shade provided from the trees and bushes, perfect for dining outdoors while enjoying the view of the water or lounging when you want to have a mini getaway. The greenery provides for plenty of privacy, making this your own personal oasis. This home boasts an impressive waterfront footage of 140 feet on the yacht basin, coming off of the St. Johns River just north of Pirates Cove. This backyard is large and beautifully landscaped, but it speaks for itself, so I'll just let you take a look. This home is so spacious, has wonderful views, and has so much character. Thank you so much for watching today. I had so much fun giving you a virtual tour of 5015 Pirates Cove Road. My name is Rachel Callahan with Berkshire Hathaway, HomeServices, Florida Network Realty. Have a great day.